Hello everyone, let's study the drugs which should be avoided in a neonate. Neonates have immature kidneys and their liver function is not completely developed. So some drugs carry increased risk of toxicity in the neonates. Let's study these drugs. First drug is ceftriaxone. It binds to the albumin and displaces bilirubin from the albumin binding site. So this bilirubin can cross blood-brain barrier and leads to bilirubin encephalopathy and Kernicterus. Ceftriaxone injection should not be mixed in calcium containing solution as it can lead to precipitation. Cefotaxime is the more safer alternative available. Chloramphenicol is contraindicated in neonates as it can cause grey baby syndrome. Child develops abdominal distension, vomiting, cyanosis, hypotension and ash-gray discoloration. Next drug is benzyl alcohol containing preparations. It causes gasping syndrome in neonates. Neonate can develop metabolic acidosis, respiratory distress, seizures and even can collapse. Amiodarone is also not used in neonates as most of its preparation contains benzyl alcohol. Sulfonamides are also contraindicated in neonates as it displaces bilirubin from the albumin binding site and can lead to Kernicterus. So drugs like cotrimoxazole is avoided in neonates. Ciprofloxacin is also avoided in neonates as it can lead to cartilage toxicity and long-term joint problems. So benefits should outweigh the risk while using ciprofloxacin in neonates. Aspirin is avoided in neonates as there is risk of Ray's syndrome associated in neonates and children, which is a fatal condition causing fatty liver degeneration and encephalopathy. Nitrofurantoin should be avoided in neonates as it increases the risk of hemolytic anemia. For the similar reason, it is also contraindicated in the later pregnancy because it can cross the placenta and cause hemolysis in the neonate. Antioxidant property of the glutathione is not well developed in neonates, so oxidative stress caused by nitrofurantoin causes hemolysis, especially in G6PD patients. Aminoglycosides like amikacin and gentamicin are not contraindicated, however, they can cause nephrotoxicity and ototoxicity in the neonates, so their use should be judicious and monitoring of the urine output should be done regularly and appropriate dose should be given in neonates.